Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to making a birthday cap for children. Now fold in a triangle shape, draw a line on it and cut it like this shape and draw a shape of the cap. Use a extra Draw a line and use a extra sheet to attach the other side of the cap. Now draw a shape of the cap, look like this. Cut the scissor like this. Cut the space of this side looks like this. Now use this scissor to cut all the shapes of this. Cut the line of it. Not ears. Then we're going to make a okay. Now fold it like this and draw a line of it and cut this like this. Cut it. All the area of this looks like this. Now we fold it like and attach the shape of it. Okay, make this in it. Okay, like look this. Our cap is ready. Use like this. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.